was right all along. You were just another threat to Rubicon.
It's that Vesper. That's no Archivist AC.
Even with the combined might of the corporations, I couldn't stop you. But this new AC can.
Well, that explains it. I don't know why, but it looks like Fury's using the closed.
No repair kits remaining.
They've always been after Rubicon, taking what they can get. Someone has to put an end to this injustice.
Now look at me, tourist. Just make sure you win this.
AP at 50%.
Where did this resolve come from? You must have chosen something, sacrificed something. You found your purpose, didn't you? Buddy?
AP at 30%.
Always were at your best under pressure, buddy. This ends here and now. I won't stop. Chase the clouds from over Rubicon. Aye. Farewell, buddy. Things will change, but I'll remember you.
It's that Vesper. That's no Archivist AC.